What's up guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to Internet Moola. In this video I will show you how to disable the Netflix Autoplay on your profile. So as you see guys, I'm gonna show you how to disable or turn off the Autoplay that you see right now. The first thing, click on account and then scroll down to your account and search for playback settings and click change. Now, disable autoplay previews while browsing on all devices like that and click save. Now, if I go back to the Netflix homepage, as you see guys, so that's it. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.